Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. It's going to be a quick update here, a quick middle of the day update. The thing is, Bitcoin has now broken the triangle to the downside. Talked about in the previous video that there's a good chance of, well, breaking it eventually to the downside. So far, not much has happened. My view is still that overall, the trend is up as long as we're staying above 27,563. From here, a direct breakout to the upside is possible. If we lose that level, not much is going to happen. We are probably just dropping down into the next support. Need to see, however, if we can manage to find some support there. I'm a bit concerned that because this Y wave low on the 3rd of April came already so low in this support area that another low might take it through it. But yeah, we are prepared for that. We talked about it. We said that absolutely, a deeper pullback here is likely as well. It's typically, typically in a wave 2, you do see a deeper pullback. So far, Bitcoin has absolutely avoided doing it. And as long as we're holding the very high levels of consolidation there and the support levels, of course, a direct breakout to the upside is likely. However, the longer the sideways movement takes, the less likely it will become. I think it is really due now. And I guess the last chance it really has is after this wave 2 here. Yeah, this Y wave to the downside, which is expected at the moment. Yeah, and ideally sort of doesn't really go below 27,500. We talked it in the previous video about it that, yeah, okay, standard wave 2 support goes down to 27,560, but the actual target, which you would consider the so-called 1-to-1 ratio or the 100% proportionality target here, that actually goes down to, I think, 27,500. So, those $50, don't worry about it, right? So a wick down wouldn't be a problem. Yeah, it's all about having a sustained break below support. If we get a break below and it sustains there, then it will make this yellow 1-2 setup unlikely, and we are probably losing this wave degree, and it will reset blue wave 2. Yeah, and all we're doing then is just to lose a wave degree and have another chance to rally from a little bit lower. So not a problem at all. Nothing else can be said really. I'm at the moment of the view that, yeah, very short term, a little bit of a dip here in a Y wave, it would just look better, this WXY structure with another move down. Really digging into the detail here because not too much is going on the higher time frame. And from there, then ideally, as long as we're holding support, a rally in a third wave to maybe 30K plus. Yeah, I'm not sure how much movement we're going to see in the next few days. I mean, today is weekly candle close, so there could be a bit of volatility typically happening around, a few hours before the weekly candle close. And then next week, obviously, we talked about it in the previous video. On Wednesday, we've got CPI data. That is going to trigger quite a bit of volatility. But until then, we might just see a little bit of up and down. But yeah, we just need that move that will take us out of this range. Bitcoin has everything prepared in this chart that it could allow it to rally. It's a good bottoming structure. It just needs to do it. Okay. And besides that, to be honest, there's not much more to add. So maybe we'll have a bit more action later today if we get the weekly candle close volatility in. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.